Hi friends, so welcome back to our web development series. So today's our topic is DOM manipulation in JavaScript. आज हम बात करेंगे DOM क्या होता है, what is DOM manipulation in JavaScript and how it makes our web page more interactive. So what is DOM? DOM is the document object model DOM. It represents the structure of a web page as a tree of objects. It allows JavaScript to access, modify, and even manipulate the HTML and their content. It allows JavaScript to interact with HTML and CSS, add, delete, or change elements, handle user interactions like clicks or input, dynamically update the content of the web page. Imagine the DOM as a map of your entire HTML page that JavaScript can control. Like here you can see document, then root element HTML, then element head, then title, body, element text like H1 or any heading, then like that. So how can we manipulate element? So to manipulate an element, we first need to select it. JavaScript provides several methods for manipulating. Document.getElementById. By ID. We can select a single element by using its unique ID. Even we can select the first element that matches a CSS selector by using .class. Document.getElementBy by tag name, that is tag, selects all elements with a specified tag name. Next is changing content. We can update text using inner text or inner HTML to dynamically change visible content. Element.innerText is equals to new text. We can update attributes, modify element attributes like src for images or href for links. Like before it was set to image src image.jpg. Now after by getting that element, we have set an element.set attribute src new image.jpg. Visual impact, we can see instant changes making your pages dynamic and interactive. It may be by click or it may be by any function. So creating or deleting elements, we can dynamically add new elements to our web page or remove existing ones. So let p is equals to document.createElement p, where p.innerText is equals to new paragraph, then document.body.appendChild p.remove. So use createElement to create, appendChild to add the DOM to the DOM, and remove to delete it. So styling with JavaScript. We have inline styles that can be directly apply CSS properties to an element using style property. So element.style.color blue. Class manipulation, add or remove CSS classes to apply predefined styles, allowing for complex styling changes. Element.classList.add active. If we want to add or remove any class then. Dynamic look, it changes an element's appearance based on user interaction or other logic that we specified in our JavaScript. Interactivity with events. Event listeners allows JavaScript to react to user actions like clicks or key presses. Button.add event listener click, then when we click, then it shows alert button clicked. Common events include click, mouse over, key down, and submit. So, what we learned today, how to manipulate DOM. So your next step is to DOM manipulation, the bridge between JavaScript and your web page. It's how you bring your designs to life. So practice with real example to master it. Try building a simple to-do list or a calculator to apply what you have learned. And in upcoming video, we also do a small project using JS, and there we can see how DOM manipulation works. Till then, thank you.